See, preparing a C++ program for running. So you see this is a C++ program source code, what the code we are going to write. We learn this. Now we are going to learn the C++ source code, how to program in C++. That is the thing we are going to learn. After you do some codes in the C++ program, what happens is this program will be translated into object code for C++ program through compilers. What compiler will do? Compiler, everybody knows that the source code is not the direct code of machine language or computer language. Computer language does not understand what the code we are going to give. So for that reason we should have a compiler which converts the source code into object code. The computer can understand only binary codes, that is 0 and 1. Everybody knows that. So the compiler, what it does is it will convert our source code into an object code. So after this compiler we have a linker. So these are the two things, compiler and the linker for C++ program. So linker is like object code for C++ program and object code for other routines. Here the linking, what linking will do is it will create a single executable file from multiple object files. Okay, you have different files like object code for C++ program, object code for other routines. So what it will do, it will link it. After linking it, you will get a single executable file. Okay, the file created after linking is ready to be loaded into memory and executed by the system. So basically there is a difference in linking and compilation when it comes to understanding errors. So compilers, what it will show the errors in syntax. For example, semicolon not mentioned, data type not defined, etc. But if there is an error that function has been defined multiple times, then this error is from linker, as it is indicating that two or more source code files have the same meaning, and that is leading to an error. So this is what the linking will do. Then we will go to other slide. Now program design process. There are two types, two phases. One phase is problem solving phase and one more is implementation phase. As you see, this is start, problem definition, then algorithm design, then desktop testing, then we are translating to C++, then testing, then working program. So this is a process, software development method. One is specify the problem requirements, analyze the problem, that is input, output and formulas. When you say analyze the program, what should be the input, what should be the output, what is the formulas needed to make that program. So this is what analyze means. Then we have designed the algorithm to solve the problem. Designing part is like you have algorithms, how the step by step, algorithm is a step by step method. And then we have implementation part. So after designing the algorithm, you will implement it. Then you have to test and verify the completed program. Testing the program, whether it is working according to the required problems, and then you have to finally maintain and update the program. So this is life cycle. Analyze the specification of task, design the software, implementation, testing, maintenance evolution of the system. So then you come to introduction to C++. So C++ is basically B programming language and combination of BCPL, combination of B programming language and C programming language. B is a basic programming language. Then we have C programming language, which was previously there. Both this B programming language and C programming language was again created by Dennis Ritchie, that is on 1970s. Then Jeremy Strapp, both are the authors who have created this B programming language and C programming language. So BCPL, that is BCPL, the combination of B programming language and C programming language is C++. Okay, now you can see the layout of a C++ program, that is hash include IO stream using namespace std, int main, variable declaration, statement 1, statement 2, and statement till you keep on giving the statements, then return 0. Then it says program starts here and program ends here. So this is how the declaration layout of a C++ program include directives, then standard namespace, main function, executable statement, and return statement. This is the first program, sample program, and we need not give this variable declaration. So first program, just you have to print something, that is cout, enter hello world, like this. No need to give this int numbers and all. It will come in the later stage. Okay, now the compiling and running a C++ program. This is word processor editor. This is a place where we are going to type the program. Okay, and after typing the program you will have source file. Then we have compiler. Compiler, what it does is it translates the program into machine code. Once it is successful, then one object file is created. If it is unsuccessful, then you will get a error message. You have to solve the error message, and again you have to compile it. After compiling it, again it will be a object file. Once the object file, you get the object file. So other object files, all the object files are linked together. That is called a linker. So once this is linked, as I told you already, the linker will create a single executable file. And once the single executable file is created, then it is loader copies executable file into memory, initiates execution of instruction. This is how the compilation of C++ program works.